So today we can see an unboxing video for the soap making tools. So I was searching for the soap loaf mold and cutting set, and I came across many one, and the one I was searching was the whole set with the wooden box and the cutting loaf mold, etc. And Amazon I found one, the Flora Magic, and it had the loaf mold with the silicone mold and the box, wooden box, then the wooden soap cutter with the two cutters. So here you can see the silicone soap mold, and this is the wooden soap cutter, and you can have almost 10 soap, and it is 1.5 kg, and these are the two way cutters, wavy and one the normal. So let's unbox it. I ordered this soap cutting tool set from Amazon, and it is a 5-piece wooden and silicone cut. Let's unbox it and see the quality and what are the products in this box. So this is a soap cutter and mold set with stainless steel wavy and straight cutters and a 1.5 kg silicone soap mold. This is a soap cutter box. Cutter box is made up of wood and it feels sturdy and well finished. And you can see the slots, almost 10 slots are there. Then next is the wooden mold box. This is for the silicone mold and it gives shape and stability while pouring the soap. So you can see this is sturdy also. The next is the silicone soap mold. This is a loaf mold. This is a large silicone mold with 1.5 kg capacity and it is flexible and thick silicone. And this fit into the wooden mold box. So once you fix it, you can pour the soap base into the silicone mold. The next are the cutters. This one is the wavy cutter. This is for the decorative wavy cuts, and other is the stainless steel cutter. Straight cutter for the clean soap bar, and this looks sharp and durable. So there are two cutters in this box. One is the wavy cutter and other is the straight cutter. And this one is the wooden soap cutter box, and you can see how when you fix the soap mold how you can cut. So you can use the, if you want a straight sharp look, you can use the stainless steel cutter, or if the wavy decorative cuts, you can use the wavy cutter. So this overall looks like a complete set for beginners or small soap makers. I like that both straight and wavy cutters are included. So this is affordable also. If you are interested in the soap making, this set seems useful. I will share the results in another video, that is a soap making video using the soap base.